What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. Thanks for coming out. Today I'm smoking up some peanut butter and jelly wings. You know, sometimes there's just nothing better than some good smoked wings. And wings are just one of those things that, oh, that was a weird rhyme. Reverse. Wings are just, what are wings? Screw it. Wings are just one of those things. They're very versatile. You can put any seasoning, any sauce. It's hard to screw up a good wing. And I love any kind of wing. I love my barbecue wings. I love my traditional buffalo style wings. And peanut butter and jelly wings are surprisingly good. They're sweet, they're tangy, they're salty. I've grown to like them a lot. I've done them a few times and it's a recipe worth sharing. It's good to switch up your sauce with your wings every now and then. They're just something different. And if you've been watching my channel or if you're new to the channel, we like to do things different here. So we can get ready to start prepping our wings. There's not a lot to it. This will be a pretty simple process. I did brine them overnight. Simple mixture, brown sugar, salt, water. I usually do an even mixture of brown sugar, salt. Start with a 1/4 cup each and cover the wings with water. Add more or less depending on how many wings you have. I brined them overnight, took them out today, rinsed them under cool water, patted them dry because we want a good dry wing going into our smoker. Get yourself a glove. We're gonna start with some duck fat spray, the trusty duck fat spray. Get those wings nice and crispy. And now you can get your choice of seasoning. I'm using some Meat So Horny, Pecan Toms, Rib Rub. It's a good, sweet, smoky seasoning and it's really gonna help complement the peanut butter and jelly flavor. Get them all over your wings. Don't be cheap on me now. Flip them over, get the other side. Oh yeah, it's gonna be really good. And that looks pretty good to me. That's all there is for the prep for our wings. Let's go pop them in the smoker. All right, y'all, we're out here at the Gorilla Grill Silverback. We got it going at 275 degrees. I'm filling up the hopper with bourbon pellets from Bear Mountain Barbecue to fuel up this smoke. Usually I smoke wings at a lower temp, around 225, then crank up the heat on the grill and get a good char. But I'm trying something different here at 275. Should only take about 1.5 hours to get some good crispy wings. And that's it. There's not much to it to smoking chicken wings. We're just gonna let our smoker go to work. We'll come back out about halfway through the cook and flip our wings. So we'll see you in 45 minutes. All right, all right, all right. It's been 45 minutes. Let's take a look at our wings. Oh yeah, those wings are looking really good. We got some great color from that rub. We're just flipping them all on over. These are only halfway done. Know they're gonna be nice and crispy. And that's it. So we have another 45 minutes to go on our wings. They're almost done. Just let that smoker keep rolling some good smoke. In the meantime, we're gonna head inside and make our peanut butter and jelly sauce. We left our smoker to finish our wings for about another 45 minutes. We're right about at the end of that time. So as we finish, we're gonna make our peanut butter and jelly sauce, which is really, really easy. Few simple ingredients. Let's start out. About a tablespoon of butter. Got it going on medium heat, get her nice and melted. I chopped up about a tablespoon of some fresh garlic. We're gonna let this cook until it gets nice and brown for a few minutes. All right, so we let our garlic go for a few minutes. It's looking good. You don't wanna burn it and overcook it. You just wanna get some good brown color on it. Now to that, we will add about a 1/2 cup each of peanut butter and grape jelly. It doesn't gotta be perfect, just eyeball it. Get on in the pan. Can lower the heat a little bit on the stove. We're pretty much just melting down this peanut butter and getting that jelly melted down as well to get a good saucy consistency. We're also gonna add to this 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix it up. Keep mixing it up good. We want all that jelly and all that peanut butter melted. Take as long as it needs. And after about 10 minutes, you'll have a nice, melted, sweet, tangy, creamy peanut butter and jelly sauce. From here, take it off the heat, put it to the side. You know what? Taking it off the cuff. We're freestyling it, baby. I don't give a gosh darn. Take a look at our wings, right at about 45 minutes. Oh yeah, those are looking prime time. Great color, man, these are gonna be really good. I'm calling it right there. Let's go get our sauce in a bowl, mix these wings up, and eat. Man, oh man, our peanut butter and jelly wings are finished. Definitely smells like peanut butter and jelly. It looks and smells so good. I'm telling you, this sauce is nice and sweet. It's a great sauce to put on wings. So to kind of recap what we did, we brined the wings overnight, salt, water, brown sugar, took them out, rinsed them off, patted them dry, sprayed them down with some duck fat, helped get our wings good and crispy, added the pecan rub from Meat So Horny to get a good sweet and smoky rub. Smoked our wings at 275 for an hour and a half. I didn't even check the internal temps. After an hour and a half, you just take a look at the wings, you know that they're done. They're good and crispy. We mixed together our peanut butter and jelly sauce, mixed them up with our wings. I did crush some honey roasted peanuts, a little bit of a garnish for our wings. Now you just gotta eat. Get a good wing here, oh yeah. Man, those are really good. The sauce is nice and sweet. Perfect amount of salt from that soy sauce. Nice and crispy skin too, dead on. Slide that meat right off the bone. Don't mind me while I make a mess. That's why I have my paper towels with me too. And again, it's hard to screw up chicken wings. They're so easy out of the smoker, really easy to get them good and crispy. Get your choice of rub. If you want to try a different sauce, peanut butter and jelly wings, not your traditional chicken wing, but a really good flavor to switch it up a little bit if you want to try something different. But that's the fun with it. Make some different sauces, experiment. You wouldn't think that peanut butter and jelly would go good on wings, but you'd be surprised. So get yourself some wings, get yourself some good seasoning, put them on your smoker, mix up some peanut butter and jelly sauce. You're gonna love them. Stay tuned for the next video. Get some more of that sauce on there, yes sir.